Today I'm going to be in my home garden because it's a bit of a mess. I had a bit of an episode last year where I was too depressed to do anything and it's just a bit of a mess. I did get a veggie pot. I'm not used to this gimbal. Ooh. It keeps like wandering away when I'm doing selfie mode. I might do a voiceover when I get out there. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'm going to turn you around. So this is my conservatory. Ooh. I had plants on there, but they're at the allotment now, all the onions and stuff. It's a bit of a mess. And then you go into my garden. This is where I might stop talking. I'm going to make that a bit bigger actually. Yeah, this is the garden. So as we look down, we see all this mess. It's my fig tree, and that is some perennial spring onions, chives, strawberry, rocket. So we've got all this to tidy up. All this. Oh, what is it doing? There's a nice welly full of water. And this side, got all my herbs on there. This needs tidying up. Got a rotten pumpkin. Rotten. Some herbs I've got in pots. So now on other plants. That's the main thing I want to try and get out today. I hate it. It's so heavy. Some daffodils coming through. That's doing so well, this blackberry bush. That's that. Look at all the floor. And in here, there's lots of carnivorous plants. Veggie pod. Some nice snowdrops. And these. Oh, and that's digging out as well. This is spread all the way over here. That's gone to the allotment. It's massive. Grass is ruined from the dog. They need to go to the allotment, so. Did he fall over? There we go. That's nice. It's got little flowers on this here. The home garden tour is complete. It is a mess. And I have an Allotment gardening YouTube channel. So my garden should not be like that. So let's fix it. This is why I am freaking out a bit more, because I'm not used to this thing. Oh, whew. Hi, hi. I'm going to start doing a voiceover now, because after this video all the footage has been muted because I started playing music, because it was a lovely day outside and I don't normally play music, but I did. Anyway, as you can see, it's even started growing in this pot, the star jasmine. It just crawls around the ground and just grows everywhere, and I've made a huge mess. Even had the saw out, and I've left this for my partner to dig up. That's the main root of it. I was going to give it away on Facebook for free, but I thought, why put them through that torture? That's all needing to be dug out as well. So while I'm waiting for my partner to do the harder stuff, I'm sitting on a chair now and weeding out the stuff from the path. That was feverfew. It just grows like wildflowers, because they are wildflowers. And I've got I'm forgetting all the names. That's like loads of wild strawberries that have gone onto the floor, as well as dandelions. And the little plant with the white flowers is primrose, which I've been meaning to dig up and put somewhere else, but I haven't just yet. So yeah, I've been trying to get all these weeds out of the little stones. It's really annoying when you don't keep on top of it, as you all know. And then you just realise how much you've got to do, and there's no way I can do all this in one day. There's more of that feverfew around the plant. I have some of this at the allotment as well. Got dandelions. There's so much of that strawberries, the wild strawberries, because this is right next to my little woodland area of the garden. As you can see, I'm just chucking it in a pile behind me. So it looks like I'm just showing you what I've got up to so far. I did film this, I can't remember, it's been a few months ago. There's another pile of weeds. It's just a mess everywhere. And I'm showing you this again for some reason. Oh, I've chopped the grass down a bit, okay. There's my mess. I've got the dandelions out off the floor there. There's a massive pile of weeds. And there's my saw. Oh, I'm going to show you my veg pod. So this is the before and after. Got some spring onions still. They are gone now. Eaten. Now my partner has been and dug this out. And while he was at it, he dug the grass out that's behind the veggie pod. So that was nice. I wasn't expecting that. That's all the moss from the veggie pod. And you can see from this side, so I can't plant tall things behind the veggie pod because it goes back. And that's some grass that I was going to put in a pot, and that's a big pile of mess again. So I did plant that grass in a pot, and this is what I took out the veggie pod because it never done well in there. It's lemon spinach that comes back every year. Not doing very well at the moment since I took it out, but I'm sure it will come back. But it doesn't do very well in there. Maybe it just needs to be in the ground at the allotment. Hi, this is Kimmy from the future. I've just edited that video, so it's going to be out now. The garden is looking a lot different because that was there, and there's going to be a part 2 that I still need to edit, and then I'm going to film the part 3, and then it's going to almost be finished. So keep an eye out for that video. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'm just getting into it all again. I've got so much to do with the allotment and my with my body keeping up with what I want to do. It just doesn't. So I need breaks after I've done stuff. So it's a slow process, and then I keep forgetting to do the videos anyway. It's going to be out soon, hopefully. Can't promise anything though, can you? Anyway, bye!